and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Today's video is just going to be my June favorites. If you've missed any of my past favorites videos, I will have them all linked in a playlist down below. I've been doing monthly favorites for 5 years now, and I highly recommend going and checking the rest of them out. As always, all the products mentioned in this video will be listed down below, and without further ado, let's just get started. Starting off, I have 3 clothing favorites. The first one is one I'm actually wearing, and it is just this orange striped t-shirt from Old Navy. I absolutely love simple cotton t-shirts like these. They are perfect to throw on with jean shorts or legging shorts or anything like that, and I especially love fun ones that are striped or polka dots or have patterns on them. I think they're great, and I absolutely love the shirts that Old Navy has. I love their short sleeve shirts, I love their long sleeve shirts. I've talked about them here on my channel before. I just love them. So this one has definitely been a favorite of mine. I also have 2 shorts favorites. The first is just a pair of denim mid-rise shorts from American Eagle, and they actually came out with an entire new line of denim shorts. So these ones are no longer available, but I will link the ones that are the equivalent to these ones. These are just their regular cuffed denim mid-rise shorts. They just look like this. I absolutely love them. They are super duper comfortable. They stretch, which is nice. They aren't super duper short, and ever since I was in high school, these are always a staple in terms of a pair of shorts for me for the summer. And I have another pair of shorts that have been a favorite of mine, and these ones are just from Walmart, and they were $3.98, and they are just a pair of like cotton knit legging shorts. I've talked about the No Boundaries leggings here on my channel from Walmart. They are my holy grail staple leggings. Any pair of leggings I'm wearing are from No Boundaries. They are literally $5. They have a ton of different patterns. They have black ones, gray ones, you name it, they have it. They have a ton of fun designs like this. And so when I saw that they made shorts, I got on that. This is my newest pair that I'm absolutely in love with. And you can find these in store, but you can also find them online. However, with the online ones, you do have to buy them in a bundle of 2, and it comes with a pair of black shorts and then a fun pattern one you get to pick. I know that not every Walmart sells these. There is one Walmart that we go to that doesn't sell them at all, and then there's a Walmart that's farther away that does sell them, and I literally go to that Walmart just to get these because I love them. Next up, I have 3 food favorites. The first one is a coffee, and it is the Starbucks cold brew coffee single serve concentrate little pods, and these ones are in the flavor caramel dolce. And literally all you do is you pour the little pod into a glass over ice and then add 8 ounces of water, and let me tell you, it is probably one of the best iced coffees you can make at home ever. I absolutely love it. I've talked about cold brew pods here on my channel before, but let me tell you, these are brand new and they are a game changer. I highly recommend trying these if you are someone who likes cold brew or iced coffee. Using a Keurig to make iced coffee is just disgusting. It doesn't taste right, and when you buy the actual like already made iced coffees or cold brews, they can be pretty expensive. So these are a more affordable option. It comes with 6 pods in each box, and let me tell you, these get you hyped up, they get you going, and I absolutely love them. And just a recommendation, I highly recommend using a caramel flavored creamer with them too, because it makes it taste even better. I've also been loving these. I was over at my grandparents' house for lunch one day, and we had dessert after, and they were like, hey, do you want to try one of these? And it is a frozen yogurt bar, and let me tell you, they are a life changer and they are healthy for you. So these are by Yassso. These ones are the cookies and cream flavor. They have a bunch of other flavors. This is the only one I've tried because let me tell you, I love it. They are on the more pricey side because you're only getting 4 bars. They are 100% worth it, and if you are looking to make healthy changes in your diet and stuff, and you're someone who loves dessert, I highly recommend checking these out and trying them. I'm someone who doesn't normally like frozen yogurt, let alone frozen Greek yogurt. I just think it tastes like sour milk and is disgusting. These, you would never know. Before they told me what it actually was, I literally thought it was just a vanilla ice cream bar with Oreo pieces in it, and it's not. It's healthy for you. There are 100 calories in each bar, and there are 5 grams of protein, 2 grams of fat, which is great for me because I don't have a gallbladder, which means I have to keep my fat under a certain number, and only 16 carbs. If you guys have a favorite flavor of these, let me know. I definitely want to know which flavors of these are the good ones. I can assure you these ones are bomb. And then I also have a gum favorite. I don't know if I've ever had a gum favorite. Maybe years ago I have, but I got this originally in a little packet at Dollar Tree one day because I needed some gum, and it was the first one I saw, and it was bright and colorful, and so I tried it and I fell in love with it. So I ended up having to get the car cup of it because I was going through it so fast. This is just the Trident Vibes Tropical Beet Gum. They are just these little orange cubes, and let me tell you, this gum tastes so good. It's great for summer because of how tropical it is. There's only 5 calories in each piece. It is sugar-free, and there are 40 pieces in total in this. If you have not tried this and you really like fruity gum, definitely try it. I'm normally someone who likes minty gum. However, I don't know after this. I think this is gonna be my holy grail gum from now on. My last 4 favorites are kind of like all over the place, beauty and health related. The first is a shaving cream. This is the EOS Shea Better Shave Cream. It is a 24-hour moisture shaving cream, and this one is in pink citrus. It smells so good. I've tried a ton of the EOS shaving creams. I've tried the vanilla one, the pomegranate one, which is I think the pink one, and then the purple one, which I don't remember what that one is either. I love these. They are great at moisturizing. These are the only shaving creams I ever use and probably ever will use because you can dry shave with them and stuff like that. I have an entire video on how to dry shave that I will leave down below for you guys. It's great for the summer and great for like when you have to go somewhere and are on the go. And I featured one of the EOS shaving creams in it. This stuff is bomb. Highly recommend it. This is definitely my favorite scent so far. Also, I've been loving a hand sanitizer. Pretty sure all of us have been loving hand sanitizer at this point. And this is just from Hello Bello. It is their fragrance-free hand sanitizer gel, and it's in this giant container. This is like my 3rd one, and I literally keep this in my purse, so I have a ton of hand sanitizer with me. I found this one day when I was at Walmart. It was literally the last one sitting on the shelf, and it was just sitting there all lonely, and I was like, well, you're coming home with me. And I didn't regret it, and I had to go back for more. Our stores here are still so low on hand sanitizer and toilet paper and soap and Clorox wipes and Lysol and stuff like that. So when you see these products, you definitely have to get them. There is a limit. I've also been loving this. This is a Turby Twist. I got this for Christmas, and I don't think I included it in my haul because it was a gift that came later than the rest of my gifts. And basically, it is just a hair towel that you use when you get out of the shower to wrap your hair up to extract some of the water. You can get these right on Amazon, and they come in packs of 2. So the first one is just one with sprinkles, and then the other one has cupcakes. I know that using an old t-shirt is better for your hair. However, it is so much easier to grab this and throw it on. And then my last favorite for the month is a sunblock. This is just the Equate sunscreen. It's SPF 50 Sport, and it's just the Walmart brand. And why I got it is because it has a little carabiner on it so that you can use it as a keychain. This is a game changer because you can literally put it on your key lanyard if you use key lanyard, or you can put it on your purse or a backpack or your beach bag or whatever, and then you always have sunscreen with you. It's no secret I'm pasty white and that I sunburn super easily. I can literally go outside for like 15 minutes and I'll come back looking like a lobster. So this summer I'm trying to crack down and be really diligent and really good with putting sunscreen on because I don't want to get skin cancer. And I actually got a bunch of these so I can strategically place them on things that I bring around with me all summer, such as my key lanyard, my backpack, my beach bag, my purse, so that I don't have any excuses not to put it on. So those are my favorites for the month of June. I am so happy that it's summer and that it's warm. If you guys would like a summer essentials or a what's in my beach bag video, definitely let me know in the comments because I think that would be a lot of fun to do. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already to become part of our little family, and be sure to hit the bell so that you receive a notification every time I do upload a new video. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!